Reduces operating temperatures. Eliminates station from all automatic CVT transmissions. Reduces coefficient of friction. Shift restore minimizes metal-to-metal contact. Smooths out gear changes. The requirement for higher performance transmissions lubricants has increased considerably in recent years due to the introduction of new and sophisticated transmission systems. The transmission fluid serves as a hydraulic fluid, a heat transfer fluid and lubricating fluid. Over time, varnish and sticky residue station conform inhibiting the performance of the fluid. Our high-performance ester formula is a unique lubricity and cleaning agent that tenaciously attaches itself to all metal parts that it comes in contact with inside the transmission. The strong polarity pulls deposits off the metal surfaces and puts them back into solution. The metal in a transmission is nearly always positively charged while shift restore is negatively charged. Attachment of a thin layer of shift restore to all metals is natural and not dependent upon temperature, pressure or anything else. An added benefit is a reduction in temperature due to less friction on the critical moving parts. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome product. This product works, and it works. Add it to your transmission immediately and enjoy your ride. Don't even wait till the last minute. Add some now to your transmission. This product is superb. A wonderful product.